Hi there, this is my lock, and welcome to another episode of Lotto Lock Tuesday. Now, last week I picked this orange Master Lock 410, and this week I am going to try and pick this black Master Lock 410. Now, these are both pretty new to my collection, and if we take a look at the bitting on this one, it's kind of weird, kind of strange. Very lows at the back, and yeah, a lot of highs at the front. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'll mix it up a little bit today. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension. I'll go with Old Faithful. So let's focus on there. Very light tension, just resting my finger on that tensioner. There we go. We've got a little bit of movement on the core now, so hunting that feedback. Looking for counter rotation. If I can get under that pin, a little counter rotation, pin 1, and there we go. We have the open. So as always, there will be links in the description down below to Pocket Woman's channel. Check out her channel for lots of Lotto Lock information, everything you could ever want to know about Lotto Locks. You'll find in one of her fantastic playlists. I'll also put a link down below to the Sadistic Picker, another very enthusiastic member of the Lotto Lock Tuesday fan club. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.